Welcome, Andres Uusoja, Chief Commercial Officer and Member of Management Board of HHLA TK Estonia.
Hello.
Andres, who are you? What you are doing, your company?
We are Estonian biggest multi-functional terminal. We are the only container terminal. We are the biggest warehouse provider. We have daily four connections with Finland, with Raivo, with Tallink and Eckerö. Plus, all our terminals are very well connected with rail. So we are a multi-functional hub connecting east and west and north and south.
What kind of services are you providing to your clients?
Main area is container shipping. But as I mentioned, we have 3 different terminals. We have general cargo, we are doing bulk, we are doing general cargo, palletized cargo, Estonian export grain, pallets, import granite. Plus, we have Raivo terminal, which is developing. So for the last 2 years, we have gained 2 customers. Plus, we are now working with a project to connect with Sweden, and plus rail. So we are mostly focused for Russian transit and Estonian general cargo export and containers. Yes.
You are connected with other terminals and you have actually an extensive network behind you. Tell about it.
You mean HHLA International?
Yes.
Yes, HHLA is a port operator in Hamburg, but it has an arm, HHLA International, which is before purchasing TK in 2018, they had a terminal in Odessa. And now, from last December, we have also a terminal in Trieste. So we have Hamburg, Tallinn, Trieste, Odessa, plus HHLA has European biggest railway operator, Metrans. So if you put all the pieces together, you understand that we want to connect sustainable, green way, all the European cargo, Hamburg, Odessa, Tallinn and Trieste, and also we want to connect Scandinavia with Black Sea, with the Adriatic.
So 4 Cs.
4 Cs, exactly.
Good. What is your capacity in technical terms?
So container-wise, we can accommodate 600,000 TEUs. We have the space for that. This year we will get 2 new big SDS cranes. We can handle all the container vessels we can come through from Danish Strait. At the moment it's 5,000 TEUs, but then in the starting of next year we can do 10,000 and bigger TEU vessels. General cargo-wise, we can have just two weeks ago or last week we handled a vessel which was 80,000 tons. So we can do a lot of grain and export pellet with the bigger vessels. Plus depth, we have 14.5 meter depth for the vessels. We can handle rail, 6 block trains a day, 2 block trains parallel. So which we are doing to Russia, automotive business at the moment.
The future plans, few words about that. Do you have any plans in relation with the Rail Baltic?
Yes, that's a very good question. We want to do Rail Baltica's grandmother, that's called Amber Train project. We want to connect Tallinn, Kaunas with 15-20 millimeter gauge. That would, when Rail Baltica comes, then we can just switch cargo over. At the moment we are working with this project. We have very big interest because the container shortage worldwide right at the moment, the European Green Deal project, so Finnish customers really want to have sustainable green transportation to Black Sea, to Adriatic, to even to Europe. And Tallinn would be an ideal hub for Scandinavian, especially for Finnish, maybe in the future also Swedish cargo.
Any other plans?
Yes, it's all related to rail. Because we haven't lost hope. We still want to have China train via Estonia to Scandinavia.
Land bridge.
Yes, we want to be a hub to connect north, south, and east and west. And as we have terminals in Odessa, in Trieste, in Hamburg, in Tallinn, and this is not it. For the next 2 years, we will have maybe potentially 1 or 2 terminals more. So HHLA International is growing very heavily. In Tallinn, our focus is to be a hub for Scandinavia and to have a rail network to rest of the world, to Black Sea, to China, to Adriatic, to Europe.
You have very fruitful and very interesting business going on, but still it has an impact on many other areas, and at the same time is suffering from the very same pandemics, for example. What were the lessons you have drawn from the pandemic period?
To be honest, the pandemic hasn't hit us maybe so hard as we pessimistically thought. All our customers are suffering a little bit, but they are mostly suffering from the container shortage because Estonian export is booming. And now the last month of the Q1 in March, we see that import is also starting to grow, and also local import and Russian transit import, especially automotive. And we are really focusing on automotive. We decided that we will not want to have anything moving to Russia, but we are especially focusing on automotive, Russian transit, and paper and pulp for Scandinavian to be a hub here in Estonia. So to answer your question, maybe we haven't seen the bottom yet, but so far COVID is bad for everybody, but as Estonian export is booming, then it's very soft landing so far for us.
So doing well.
We are doing, let's say, 3+.
Good. Welcome to HHLA.
Dankeschön.